Hi, this is Esther from the Trucking Scribe. I had a nice lady help me out here recently. I had a project for school and she offered to help me with it. And she actually, I just met her in the store, so she was very nice, and I thought I would make her a small gift just to say thank you. So that's where this has come in. This is a new junk journal. She is into sewing. She's just now learning to sew. So I used fabric from right here. I used this fabric and glued it on. I put some interfacing on the back, and then I glued it to the cover and sewed around the edge, and I used pinking shears to cut that edge off. I didn't wrap it around on this one. So it's got 7 signatures. I got one here that's a little extra little thing, but I did make a little tassel with an A for her name. Hopefully I'm not too far out of frame. I forget that I gotta have it down. I put some beads, all kinds of lace. There's a heart charm, and I even have like a little necklace. On another one there's a star. So all my and you open it up, it's just got a piece of sari silk to match that I tied around it. The front cover has little jewels glued on. There's lace, and this is like almost like a bracelet ribbon that I got at Joann's. I really like this. They have it in the gold too. Then there's a book that I found. Can't remember the name of it. Here it is, Made Out of the Stars by Meera Patel. It's a beautiful book. It's got beautiful watercolors in it. Well, this is a page from it. It says, each friend represents a world in us, a world possibly not born until they arrive, and it is only by this meeting that a new world is born. Ines Nin, I think is how you say it, I'm not sure. So basically, I just met her and I feel like she's already a friend. She, out of the kindness of her heart, spent 3 hours helping me with the project, and I so much appreciate it. This little bow came from one of my junk journal groups. I got it as a rack, random act of kindness. She sent a great big old bag, big old envelope of all kinds of paper scraps and stuff. So I appreciate that. There's a little doily there. Inside, I have covered it with scrapbook paper, and I have pockets. This one here. She confidently trusts the Lord to take care of her. Psalms 112:7. It's a beautiful one. I have little pockets everywhere. So this is a little journaling card. Got some vellum. This is a book page. I actually took and stenciled this on. I don't know where my stencils went either. Here's one of them. So I used a stencil like this, but not that one. And then we got another pocket there. I glued some lace here because this little edge was, the paper was cracking just from the way that paper, scrap paper does sometimes. If I figure out how to get these in here. I'm excited to give this to her. I've been working on it for a couple weeks. So then you open it up and you've got more tags, bookmarks, journaling cards. This is a fold up. I used 8 by 11, a regular size sheet, and I folded it up, and it makes a lot of pockets. It's got a back pocket right there. It's got another one right here, one right here, and as you can see, it goes all the way down. And you can put one there, and the last one is right there. So I've got different kind of papers in here. I've got copy paper, 32-pound copy paper that I printed and on some of it, but some of it I didn't. There's scrapbook paper with the lace on the edges. I put dolly in here. You can see here's the other side of that particular dolly. So it's in the signature. Here's some scrapbook paper with butterflies. I put little jewels on it. And you keep going. Here's that other side of that scrapbook paper that had the lace. I have a vellum pocket with hearts with another tag in it. And her favorite color is purple, so I used distress ink on a lot of pages and distressed the edges of it. Here's another page with stencil just to give some color. And I have, this here is the sewing pack from Value Prints on Etsy. She has a beautiful sewing pack, digital, that you can get. I'll link it for you. There's more scrapbook paper. This is upside down, but that's my fault. This is also from Value Print in this sewing digital. This is scrapbook paper, I took and did a ruffle right here with the some of the fabric that's on the front. More lace. Here's another little pocket right there that I did with vellum. Value Prints has this particular print and this one. These are scrapbook paper. This here is Value Print. Here's another journaling card. Here's Value Print that coordinates with this. I just did like a side tuck so you could tuck something in. So I'm gonna have some yellow legal paper just to have a little bit of variety. Scrapbook paper. Here is some more that I added in, a pocket and a little tag. Pocket that says friendship. Then down here are some little stamps that I cut out from another kit that Value Print has on Etsy. This is, I think, the Lavender kit. She does great work. And this one here is another one of her kits that's the blue, I can't remember the blue roses, but I'll put the links in the description below so you can go check her out. These here are all of hers. This is another pocket. There's one there, one here, and then there's even one right there. There's another sewing card. Some more book page that I stenciled. This here is like jersey fabric. I did a pocket right here, put a sticker on, book page, vellum. Here is little dolly prints. And I made her this cute little book out of this paper that I designed that says, "Be still and know that I am God," Psalms 46:10. It's one of my favorite these days. If you've watched a few of my videos, you know that that particular verse keeps coming up for me. I guess because I don't know how to be still and just wait. But one day I am, and God's going to answer my prayers. He's probably already answered them. So it's not, well, not probably. He has. He already knows what's going on. But all these pages are stenciled just to give some decoration to the book. get back down in there. This one is a digital print. I'll have to find the link to this one. This one's a different company. This is Value Print. Value Print. I put some lace roses. There's that hot air balloon one again. Like I said, I'll get a link and put it below. Scrapbook paper. Scrapbook paper, some more doilies in yellow. Scrapbook paper, scrapbook. I know this is getting long, so I'm trying to hurry up a little bit. More scrapbook paper. Here's just some already printed brown paper that looks coffee dyed, but it's not. This is stenciled. I did on one page, I cut out a border of lace on the paper. So all this here is scrapbook paper too. The next signature, I got another one of those little pockets on the side. Value Prints digital. And here is a paper that I got from the World of Coke here in Atlanta. I live not too far from the World of Coke, and they give these out for you to write your story on and share with others. So I put one of those in there for her. More scrapbook paper. This one here is a print, digital print. I'll have to look for that one too. This one's Value Print. Value Print. Scrapbook paper. Here's the other side of that Coke page. Another Value Print right here. And I got butterflies. This is scrapbook paper. No, it's not. This is actually Value Print. Mary did that, and I think the printing problem was mine. So this is scrapbook here, the gray and the black. So here's another vellum pocket that I put in with another card, and then I just put in some prayer journal cards from this, Prayers to Share, 100 Pass Along Notes for Joy. So I thought I would share that with her. Exodus 15:2, there's Isaiah 40:29. I ask the Lord to give you strength and confidence and joy. Do you feel it? I pray that you do. He gives strength to the weary, and to him who lacks might he increases power. God meant for life to be filled with joy and purpose. He invites us to take our journey with him, written by Billy Graham. And then there's one from Proverbs that I'm praying that you'll experience God's joy by keeping everything in perspective, his perspective, Proverbs 16:16. And then 2 Chronicles 5:7, I pray that you can visualize yourself and God together, working together, walking together, tackling every challenge together, rejoicing forever. So I tucked those in there for her. This here is a scrapbook paper. Here's the other side to it. I just put lace on there. Regular copy paper. These two are scrapbook doily paper. Scrapbook paper. Here's Mary's print, the best or Value Prints. These are some little pockets that I actually designed. They're gnome, from my gnome collection that I haven't got out yet. I have some little tickets with gnome houses that I put in here. Little journaling cards, but I've made into tags. So you just cut them out and glue them in. So here's another one of the Coca-Cola pages. Let's see. Value Print does such a pretty job. That one's pretty. So here's a journaling card with some more of the scrap fabric made of vellum. You can see the vellum. Another one. Scrapbook paper. This is Value Print. You can see where I distressed the edges with the purple. More doilies. And then here's a pocket I made from a recycled envelope. You know, the ones you get in the mail from the debtors that want money and all. I just covered them and layered it. I'll have to do a video on that one so I can show you how to do it. But there's more little tags here from Value Print. It goes along with her collection. I did more lace. And then here's the end. I didn't do anything with the back. I thought I would leave that for her. So I think it turned out really good. Never made a tassel before, so that was my first. But I've also added in here some more stuff for her to go with it so she can decorate. So this is Don't Just Fly, Soar. This is another one of my digitals that I made. More little tickets and stamps from Value Print that go with the collection. I added some words in here. This is from a collage that I made. Here's an envelope that has vellum there. It's just a little small envelope, but I thought she could just put it wherever she wanted to put in there. Some more journaling cards, little tickets. Let's see. So here's some more of the little tickets that I showed you earlier, the gnome houses and journaling cards that go with it. Here's a few more. Another one of Value Print Mary's collection. This is a scrapbook paper. It's just a die-cut envelope. Same thing, just so she can put it in wherever she wants to put it. Then there's this envelope that I did on the envelope punch board. Got my logo on the inside. This is some thick cardstock paper, and it's got a Velcro closure. Fold, gold foil on it. Another little collage thing, another envelope die cut that I distress inked. Some more little ephemera. He restores my soul, Psalms 23:3. And a few more of these. And another one of the little die cut envelopes. Oh, I need to glue that back. So I hope she really likes it. I'm sure she will. She, like I said, has done me a great service by helping me out with school, and she didn't have to, and I want to say thank you again to her. And if you're interested in a junk journal like this, let me know, and we can get one pre-ordered and get one similar. The placement of everything may not be the same, or even of a different print on the front or different themes. Can do. So I'll put that back in there. But thank you for stopping by, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and that way you'll see some more of my videos. Thank you.